Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So let's talk about being popular and the YouTube algorithm. So if you're brand new to YouTube and you're wondering what type of content I should create, well, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and go to the homepage of YouTube and you'll see what's popular and what really the YouTube algorithm is pushing and recommending. And more often than not, 99% of the time, the most popular content is typically going to be entertainment related. And this is really nothing new. Prior to YouTube, prior to the internet, entertainment content is the most popular in television, radio, newspapers, whatever the case might be. Entertainment is pretty much always going to be the most popular type of content to create, and it's what the YouTube algorithm will normally promote because it is popular and it's always going to be the most popular thing pretty much in any country that you're in. I'm rarely seeing any other type of content be as popular as entertainment. Now, obviously, your choice of content might be different from this. And so whenever that's the case, just realize that if you're not creating content that is popular and recommended by the YouTube algorithm, then the chances of your content showing up is normally going to be lower. And so if you are thinking about doing something outside of that, just understand that typically this is going to be more challenging. And even if you do produce entertainment related content, well, there's a lot of people producing this type of content as well. But I would say in general, if you actually want content that has a higher likely chance of YouTube recommending and hence being popular, well, create stuff that people want, and in this case, entertainment related content. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.